Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be talking about which bank should you choose, Bank of America versus Chase. So I'm going to be thoroughly comparing Bank of America and Chase. We'll evaluate their different savings and checking products, loan offerings, credit cards, and so many more. So hopefully by the end of this video you'll have a clear understanding of their unique strengths and weaknesses so that you can decide which bank is the better fit for your needs. First up, Bank of America and Chase savings accounts. At first glance, they appear quite similar. Both pay 0.01% interest unless you have a large balance and meet other criteria. The monthly fees are $8 for Bank of America and $5 for Chase. You can waive these fees by maintaining $500 with Bank of America or $300 on Chase. Both of them allow mobile check deposits and have the auto-save features, so the savings products are nearly identical. The one difference is that Bank of America Preferred Rewards members can earn up to 0.04% if they maintain a high balance. As for the checking accounts, again there are many similarities. As neither account earns interest, they both have a $12 monthly maintenance fee, and you can waive the fee by meeting balance, direct deposit, or other requirements. Bank of America, however, has customizable overdraft controls, and Chase offers new account bonuses and the multiple checking tiers. So again, for this one, the features are comparable overall. One key difference is that Bank of America lets you adjust overdraft handling, while Chase provides a new account kind of perks. Now, if you're in the market for a mortgage to purchase a new home, then let's see how Bank of America and Chase compare for home lending options. Bank of America offers an extensive suite of mortgage and home equity products, including fixed rate mortgages with predictable long-term payments, adjustable rate mortgages where your rate fluctuates after an intra-period, jumbo loans for luxury homes that exceed conforming limits, and home equity lines of credit to tap your equity for any purpose. As a Bank of America Preferred Rewards client, you can get up to $600 off your origination fees, which is a nice perk. Chase, on the other hand, also provides a wide array of mortgage products, including fixed and adjustable rate mortgages, jumbo and VA loans with flexible terms, and the Chase Dream Maker program for first-time buyers and those with moderate incomes. So helpful tools like their mortgage affordability calculator and the online pre-qualification form allow you to estimate payments and customize the loan options before formally applying, and this can speed up the approval process. So both banks have extensive mortgage offerings for all of your needs. However, there's a slight advantage to Chase for the handy online tools to simplify applying and estimating the costs upfront. But honestly, you can't go wrong with either one of these lenders. Next up, let's examine the credit card landscape for Bank of America versus Chase, which is a major differentiator. Bank of America offers a robust suite of credit card options to earn cashback or travel rewards. You've got customized cash rewards as you earn 3% back in your top spending category, unlimited cash rewards for 1.5% unlimited cashback on every purchase. You also have the travel rewards card, which earns you 1.5 points per $1 spent on all of the purchases, co-branded airline and retail cards like Alaska Airlines, Susan Komen, and more. On the other hand, Chase also offers a stellar lineup of credit card rewards programs, including Chase Sapphire Preferred, as you get 5 times more points on travel purchased through the Chase Ultimate Rewards, Chase Sapphire Reserve 3 times points on travel and dining purchases, Chase Freedom Flex 5% cashback in bonus quarterly categories, United Explorer and other co-branded airline cards, and so many more. Chase, in my opinion, definitely wins when it comes to variety and richness of credit card rewards programs. Their Ultimate Rewards points ecosystem provides tremendous flexibility and value options for travelers. And now to compare the digital and mobile banking capabilities for Bank of America versus Chase. Bank of America offers robust mobile banking with features such as mobile check deposit directly within the app, person-to-person payments through the Zelle integration, budgeting tools and spending breakdowns, and also the credit card management and rewards redemption. However, one thing to keep in mind is that they do not offer 24/7 customer service. Support hours are 8 AM until 9 PM on weekdays and 8 AM till 8 PM on weekends. You can reach out via social media on Facebook and Twitter as well, and their mobile app is rated very highly on the App Store based on over 600,000 reviews. Chase, on the other hand, also provides convenient mobile banking. You can deposit checks by taking a photo right in the app. Integrations with third-party applications like Mint, TurboTax, and QuickBooks are available. Mortgage support with ability to make payments and view statements, and manage accounts, track spending, redeem rewards, etc. But just like Bank of America, Chase also does not offer round-the-clock phone support. Their weekday support hours are from 7 a.m. until 11 p.m. and weekends are from 10 a.m. till 7 p.m. They also can be reached through Facebook, Twitter, and dedicated military veteran hotlines. So for the mobile convenience and capabilities, both banks provide excellent digital experiences and are neck and neck in this category in my opinion. In terms of physical branches, here is the comparison. Bank of America has over 4,200 branches nationwide in 48 states, primarily concentrated on the east and west coasts, and they also have around 17,000 branded ATMs. Chase, on the other hand, has roughly 4,900 branch locations spread across 23 states. Also focused on the coasts and Midwest, they also have around 16,000 ATMs nationwide. So in terms of their geographic locations, Chase has around 700 more branches, but is also in significantly less total states. Both banks allow you to use each other's ATMs fee-free, so you have access to over 30,000 plus withdrawal points between the two no matter who you bank with. So as you can see through this overview, both banks have areas where they excel over the other. The right choice for you depends on your personal priorities. So if credit card rewards and travel perks are critical, Chase is tough to beat, but for mortgage discounts and great service, advantage goes to Bank of America. Thanks so much for watching in this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create similar to this one.